Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I think this is my first video, and then today we are going to be doing a standard portrait shoot with gel lighting. And I'm Schindler, and this is my lovely model and muse Pinkie. Her social media will be in the description. And today we'll be shooting with the Godox AD200 Pro inside this Octagonal umbrella, and then we'll be using the Godox TT600 as our background light and then our rim lights. So I mentioned that we'll be using colored gels, and these are the colored gels we'll be using: the Godox CF07 colored gels. For the background, I'm using the full blue, just blue, and full plus green combined to give me an aqua look. And then for the rim lighting, I'm using the full CT orange, that's 204. So in a moment we'll be shooting, and if you are liking this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video as well. So today I'll be using my Canon 60D along with my 18 to 135 f3.5 to f5.6 lens, and then we'll be triggering the lights with the Godox X2T for Canon. So before I start the shoot, I'll be testing the lights, and I like to work from the background lights to the rim lights, then to the key lights. So I'll be taking the shots just with the background light, and then after that just with the rim light, then after that just with the main light, that's our key light, and then I'll just combine all of them, and then we can begin our shoot. So what I do first is I'm going to set my camera to the flash sync speed. If you don't know what the flash sync speed is, kindly comment down below, I'll do a video about it. So basically my camera's flash sync speed is 1/250th of a second, that's the shutter speed. Then I'm going to set my aperture to f5.6 because that is my lens's sweet spot, f5.6. And then I'm going to set my ISO to 100. So I'm going to take a shot without any of the lights, and as you can see, the picture is fully black. That means that none of our ambient lighting is affecting the shot. So now I'm going to turn on my trigger. I will turn on the background light, and I'll set it to 1/4 power and take a shot. And as you can see, you just have the background aqua lighting there. I'll throw the picture up on the screen for you to see. Now I'm going to turn off my C light. I'm going to turn it off. And then I'm going to test my rim lighting. That's what's going to color her hair with the orange, give it a nice, beautiful look. So then do that. It's at, let me try 8 power. I'm using the TT600 like I said earlier. Try again. Focus your eyes. Alright, so as you can see, we have a very beautiful orange rim lighting, and then you know the orange and the aqua contrast to give it that beautiful look. So I'm going to turn off my rim lighting, that's the hair lights. Let's going to turn that off, and then turn on our main lights, that's the AD200 Pro in the Octagonal umbrella. And I'm just going to set it to about 1/4 power. Yes. And as you can see, we have just the key lighting showing how beautiful my lovely muse and sister looks. So now that I've gotten my settings, I'm just going to turn on all 3 lights. Make sure that she they are all working correctly, and then we'll start shooting. So we are back, and I've turned on all 3 lights, and then we'll start shooting. Nice.
Once I finish, the board don't finish.
Tilt your head slightly towards, towards the side. So the background light is entering our shot. So I'm just going to lift it a bit. Right. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you like the pictures and you want to see how I retouch them, don't forget to leave a comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.